What's going on YouTube? Okay, so this is a video for you Jeep TJ owners out there. I don't know if this affects all TJs. This particular year is 1999. So what happened was I changed out all the cluster lights here to an LED style, and when I did it on the blinkers, it screwed up the whole blinker circuit. Now it screwed it up probably because I'm running LEDs in everything, front, rear, the whole Jeep basically is LED. It does have a flasher relay for LEDs, but this blinker circuit is what they call a floating ground circuit, and it grounds through a couple different places in the circuit, and one of them is actually in the bulb, through the bulb itself, in the indicator light for left and right. So what happens is if you put an LED in here and you have LEDs in the front and the back, it doesn't ground properly, and you get weird stuff happening, like this side marker will shut off and this will stay solid on, and since this is a switchback, it stays solid amber when that happens. So don't put the LEDs in there. It's going to screw up your system. Might be able to get away with going to the back side of this and finding out which side is supposed to be the ground and running a dedicated ground wire. I'm not sure. I'll let you guys know if I try that and if it works, but hopefully this helps some of you guys having trouble with your blinkers when you put LEDs in your Jeep.